Okay, I thought I'd throw together a quick little video walkthrough of what I've been playing around with here in SharePoint and jQuery mobile. One of the things that I've been hearing a lot of is, geez, SharePoint's okay, but I want to use my iPad. Executives want to carry around their iPad. So what can we do? So I thought, all right, I threw together a SharePoint 2010 quick little project list. I used some SharePoint Designer to mess around my KPIs, for example. So what I set up here is, here's my project. And I put versioned notes on. I like that. So anytime you have to go ahead and change a note, I like to or anything on this field, I like to explain to me why. The SharePoint Designer, instead of using the JavaScript hacks, I just put a conditional on here that says, and I say why. This is being green because we had a scope change. Okay, great. That's the reason. Okay, and no, I'm green. Okay, but that's all fine and dandy, but what if I want to look at an iPad? Now, I mean, SharePoint does a decent job doing it on an iPad, but I thought, maybe we could play around a little bit. So what I did is I said, let's take a site. Let's throw jQuery mobile on it. So this is the same list of projects. There's the projects here. There's the projects there in alphabetical order here instead. I click on that same ATP. There they are. There's that green. If I want to see the notes, there's my notes, the version notes all extracted out. I can even go in here and say, this is a note added from my iPad. And I say, add the note. And sure enough, it shows that I spelled my note wrong. Fine. If I come back here, I come to my ATP process renewal. And there's my note all synced in, right? Nice and clean. I say I want to add a new project. Here I say test project video. That sounds good. I can't spell very well. It's going to be M green 25 30. I don't know. We'll come here and we'll say it's going to take us a year to get it done. We're 20% complete. I don't have a link to a project site, but if I did, that's where I put the link. And this is project kickoff. Okay, save. It's going to say, I don't know who the heck that guy is. It's me. Save. Great. Test project video. Go back to the site. Hit my back button. Refresh. And we could run a timer on that so it automatically refreshes, but there's test project video, green, 25%. Forget my percentage thing, it's all screwed up. There's my initial note, so kind of cool, right? And then I said, okay, well, one of the things I would like, if you notice, I had this smaller, so it kind of fit on an iPhone, but it looks like SharePoint 2010 gets in the way of that, and I can't figure out how to get around it. So I said, okay, well, let's take it different. With the iPad, we've got more real estate to work with. So I said, okay, well, here's, I screwed up my KPIs, but so more of a one-screen look at, this would all fit on an iPad. If I reduce my screen down, it shrinks to fit into what an iPad would look like. Or an Android or a Windows tablet or whatever it is you're playing around with. So there's a way to kind of do that. So that was kind of my quick demo of SharePoint and jQuery Mobile. So hope you liked it. Thanks.